Here's another fascinating fact. Even your thoughts can change your brain. Positive thinking can actually create new neural pathways, while negative thoughts can weaken existing ones. Neuroplasticity shows us that our brains are not set in stone, but are dynamic and adaptable. So, we've journeyed through the fascinating world of the human brain, mindfulness, and neuroplasticity. Let's take a moment to marvel at the 30 unique facts we've uncovered about our brain. A complex organ, it is the command center for the human nervous system, performing operations at lightning speed. It is a powerhouse of creativity, logic, emotions, and memories. Yet despite its intricate design, it has the flexibility to change and adapt. This adaptability, known as neuroplasticity, allows our brain to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. We've also delved into the power of mindfulness, a practice that allows us to be fully present and engaged in the moment, free from distraction or judgment. Mindfulness is not just a state, but a way of living, a practice that trains our brain to be more efficient, flexible, and resilient. It's a tool that can help us manage stress, improve our focus, and enhance our overall well-being. And remember, neuroplasticity and mindfulness are interconnected. As we practice mindfulness, we're leveraging the power of neuroplasticity, shaping our brain to be more resilient and adaptive. It's like a brain gym where we're training our brain to be more fit, more capable. But the journey doesn't end here. Each one of us holds the key to unlocking the full potential of our brain. It's a lifelong journey of learning, adapting, and growing. The more we understand about our brain, the more we can harness its power.